Hey guys, I have the hiccups right now. and she wants me to make a video of it, so I'm making a video of it. You have to wait.
Hiccup. No hiccups? They went away? Oh,
My curls. Oh my god, there's something wrong. Guys, I just had 3 slices of
oh my god, I
pizza, so that's why.
I had hiccups too.
She has them too.
I had the hiccups too.
Oh. What? Oh.
Oh, you. I'm gonna write on here. Okay, I'm dropping everything.
It's my tongue.
I need a marker, Jaya.
Do you guys see my tongue?
Where'd they go? Right here. I found one. Okay, I'm drawing.
I'm not gonna make a long video.
I know, right? Last time was like beyond long. 7 minutes of retardness. Excuse me. No, that was a burp.
Move.